Here's the rescued seagull. We found him today, hopping around in the plaza. Didn't want him to get hit by a car, so we brought him here. He's sitting next to the window because I guess that's what comforts him, because it's outside. Can't get him to drink water. His leg's messed up. I think it's broken. Very swollen. His legs are really skinny too. Gotta set him up a cage, just like these guys. Not very happy right now, obviously. So I guess I'll set up his cage. Here's her, or him, in the cage. I know it's not really big, but it does its job. Give it some wet cat food, which it's definitely not eating. Some water. It's definitely emaciated. I wouldn't want to say that word, but I don't know if you can tell, but look how skinny the legs are. Kind of see like the bones underneath. I think I found a cut up here on her side. Side, whatever, but I'm not sure. Her feathers are all messed up. And her foot is really small. Where is it? There it is. I've called places. I'm trying to get a hold of someone who would take her like a vet or a rehab place, but most places close at 4. And they wouldn't pick up. So I guess I'll try again tomorrow, or keep trying today. I guess any advice would be nice. Probably be gone by tomorrow though. I'm gonna try getting some food in tonight. I know pigeons are easy to take care of because you can force feed them. But I don't know about Seagull. Probably not. Looks really sad. Poor thing. So, yeah, that's the seagull. Not something you see every day. It's really something I probably shouldn't do on my bed. I wonder if the camera can even see. What do you want? Oh, you were just pecking at it. This is Roger today, and he's not standing anymore, but at least I'm getting a lot of food in him. I'm having to tube feed him though. Not really fun. I want to see your leg. Okay, well, now I'm going to feed Roger via tube. Don't recommend anyone trying this at home, because you can put it down the wrong tube and choke them by filling their lungs with liquid. Jeez. I'm giving him about 50 cc's of warmed up, blended with water cat food. which has fish in it, by the way. Kind of messy. And that's it. All gone. Say hello, YouTube.